Wall-mounted media storage reclaims floor space by mounting television components and storage on the wall instead of using a traditional TV stand. Start by selecting a floating media console that is sized to balance the television without crowding the wall. Choose one with internal cable management channels and adjustable shelving to fit media players and game consoles. When planning recessed audio-visual cabinets, measure the wall cavity and behind-wall utilities first, and use fire-rated access panels where needed to maintain safety and code compliance. For in-wall television mounts with a cable chase, run a dedicated conduit from the power source to a media outlet behind the display and terminate cables at a recessed plate near the equipment bay for neat connections. Shallow built-in cabinets with sliding doors are ideal for tight rooms because they keep storage flush with the wall, and sliding doors avoid swing clearance issues. So build shelves spaced for media cases and vertical storage for remotes and small accessories. Integrate speaker placement by using wall cavities or shallow in-wall enclosures to keep low profile. Always allow at least 2 inches of ventilation behind electronics, and plan for future access by installing removable panels or hinge drawers so components can be serviced without tearing out cabinetry. Homeowners often pick cabinets that are too deep, which eats into narrow rooms, so choose shallow depths and measure circulation paths to avoid obstruction. Another common issue is poor cable planning that leaves visible spaghetti. Remedy that by running a labeled conduit and using cable ties and Velcro wrap so each cable is identifiable and removable. People also forget ventilation, leading to overheated equipment, so include passive vents or small quiet fans and avoid sealing electronics into airtight compartments. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and discover ideas for media wall storage. Our site also helps contractors find leads and join conversations, and we host a discussion community where members share tips and ask questions about installations and designs.